is a Hokkien Mee chicken rice. Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel! For today's video, tayo ay magmumukbang. Magmumukbang tayo ng one of the Singaporean local dish, Singaporean local food. This is very famous in Singapore, guys. Sa iba-ibang coffee shop, restaurant, ibang hawker center, sa lahat ng mga coffee shop, meron talaga to siya kasi isa sa mga local dishes in Singapore. Kaya ito, I show you this one. One of the famous in Singapore is a chicken rice. I bought just now downstairs. It's made from cooked by steamed chicken. Ini-steam yung chicken niya for how many hours? Para mulambot yung balat, laman niya. Tsaka yung rice niya, iba. Kasi tawag nito, ginigisa muna yung rice bago siya isaing. Ginigisa siya ng luya. Tapos, yung sabaw sa rice is yung chicken. Yung sabaw ng chicken, nilalagay doon dito sa rice para pasaing. Nilalagay ng pandan leaves, ginger, garlic yata, meron. At saka, yan. Kasi yung pag-process ng chicken, mahaba eh. It's like, dinidip siya na pinmakulong tubig ng half an hour. Tapos, binabad na naman siya sa malamig na tubig for half an hour. Tapos, ibabalik na naman doon sa mainit na tubig, yung kumukulong tubig. Yeah, mahabang process ng pagkuluto ng chicken rice. May chicken rice din na roasted. But today I eating the Taiwanese chicken rice. It's very famous in Singapore. You should try, when you come in Singapore, you should try to eat this chicken rice. It's very famous in Singapore. Next, guys, is one of the cuisine in Singapore, famous cuisine, is a Hokkien Mee. Hokkien Mee is what's this? Luto po siya ng two kinds of noodles. The white noodles and yan, kita pa yung steam ng white noodles and the yellow noodles. He stir fry with prawn and some fish cake. Yan, fish cake. Some fish cake and some of the pork and tauge and egg. Yan. Tsaka may chili siya, guys. Ayan ang chili. Yan chili, oh. Kunti lang nilagay ko kasi baka maanghang. Tsaka, the best part of the chicken rice is the chili too. The best part of chicken rice is the chili. Yan yung chili. Chili is made by chili, garlic, and some ginger inside, and then they blend it together. Light sauce, garlic, ginger, and then they blend it together into a smoothie like this. You can pour over your chicken. Woo! Like that. Wow, it's so yummy. Yes. So yum. Okay. And then I put some lemon here on my Hokkien Mee. You should try Hokkien Mee. Very yummy. Very nice. When you come to Singapore, should try this two Singapore local dishes. Okay, I have some ice and the soybean, black soybean. I really like this. Start na tayo. Sarap. Sarap kaya. Okay, I do the chicken rice first. Pag walang chili sa chicken rice, hindi siya gaano kasarap. The texture of the chicken is very soft. Actually, the best talaga ang first Singapore cuisine is a chili crab. One day I gonna do the chili crab mukbang. One of the best in Singapore cuisine is the chili crab. Kaso mahal ang chili chili crab eh. Ano yata ang chili crab? Isang kilo, $30. Malalaki na yun ah. Magkano sa Pilipinas? 1K plus. I don't like the steam. Sarap niya. Yun niya. Yung ano? Yung moisture ng yung smell ng garlic still there, and yung ginger. Sarap. Yung una kong pagpunta dito, ayaw ko talagang kumain ng mga ganitong food. Gusto ko Pilipino lang. Nung nagtagal, parang nasanay na rin ako. Sa ano na rin ako. Kasi yung asawa ko, kahilig-hilig nito kumain. Yung chili, hindi naman siya ganong spicy kasi yung chili nahaluan ng garlic, nahaluan ng ginger, tapos biniblend. Naman tayo sa ano, Hokkien Mee. Hokkien Mee. Chili, see? I mix it over to the noodles so that it will be very nice. Oh, so nice. See, you see the steam? Wow. Hokkien Mee. Hokkien Mee, guys, is either you take lunch or dinner or tea break, I don't know, depends on you. Pero sa akin, ano, either lunch or dinner. Dito sa Singapore, dito kasi sa amin, hindi masarap yung food pag walang chili. Sa Asian, dito sa Asian, hindi masarap pag ang food mo is walang chili. Meron chili, is very appetizer. Ito lang ako nag-upo sa center table namin kasi gulo ang dining table namin, ha. Ang sarap na. I got 2 prawns. Dalawa lang. Ito yung fish stick. Tsaka may ano, yung vegetable pala niya, yung chive. May chive. Tauge. Sarap niya. Hindi ako marunong mag-chopstick. Hindi ako masyado marunong. At first, hindi talaga ako marunong. Natuto lang ako. Mahirap mag-chopstick. Magpasya kayo dito sa Singapore, talagang kainin nyo to nung dalawang to. Try to eat this. Very nice. Anywhere in the coffee shop, you can see this food. Guys, naman tayo. Kulang lang yung kunti lang ang chili na binigay. Isang balot ng ganyan, kulang. Sarap kasi pag may chili talaga. So hanggang dito na lang ako, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and sa di pa nag-subscribe sa akin, please subscribe my channel at mag-button bell na lang kayo para ma-notification kayo sa aking mga video upload. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.